Students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the experiment that is usually performed in your pharmacology lab, that is blood collection from the marginal air vein in the rabbits. So this is very easy procedure which we usually perform to collect blood from the rabbit and to demonstrate the effect of different drugs on the rabbit's blood. You can also determine the clotting time or the bleeding time by using rabbits. Now, what are the considerations of the experiment? Now, this is definitely a most common and the least invasive method to collect blood from the rabbits. There are two different sites that are commonly used sites from where you can collect the blood from the rabbits. First one is the auricular artery and the second one is the marginal vein. We usually don't use the auricular artery in our labs. Why? Because this is only used for collecting the large amount of the blood that is sometimes not required in your lab, and it may also result in the bruising and the hematomas. So usually we use the marginal vein. What is the benefit of that? That this is the site which can be used without using a local anesthetic. Even then, we prefer to use the anesthetic or we use the topical anesthetic. But whole is conclusion is that while collecting the blood from the rabbit's vein, you must properly restrain the rabbit. In our previous videos, we have discussed that how to restrain the rabbit. You can use a rabbit restrainer, you can use the towel wrap technique as well. Now, this is the figure that is representing that here we have the ear of a rabbit. This is the central auricular artery and this is the lateral or the marginal air vein where we will collect the blood. So, what volume of experimental blood you can collect from the rabbit's marginal vein? Usually, if we are performing the experiment, once a month, you can collect the blood not exceeding the 10% of the CBV, that is the circulating blood volume. And on the weekly basis, it should not be more than 7.5%. And while in the case of the blood sample you are taking daily, it must not be greater than 1% of CBV, that is the circulating blood volume. Usually, the amount of blood that is present in a rabbit is 44 to 70 ml per kg. Now, how we will perform the experiment? This experiment is really very simple. Firstly, you have to ensure the appropriate personal protective equipment, that is PPE. You have to take care of your hygiene of the rabbits as well. So you need gloves, eye protection for the technician who is going to perform the experiment. You need the masks. Your hands should be properly washed. You must wear the gloves before treating the rabbit. Now, what are the supply lists? What are the equipments or the apparatus required during the experiment? These are the restrainers. You may call it a rabbit holder. If restrainer or the rabbit holder is not available, you can use the towel in order to wrap the rabbit, to grip the rabbit properly. You need syringes, syringes with the needle ranging from 26 to 30 gauge. You can also use the other syringes as well, depending on gauge syringes, depending on your requirements. Then you will need the blood collection tubes, then clipper with the clean sharp blades in order to remove the hairs from the rabbit's ear. Then you will need the topical anesthetic. This is quite optional, but you should use it. Then what is the detailed procedure, how you will perform the experiment? Okay, to perform the experiment, definitely you have to assess, you have to locate the marginal vein of the ear. You can take multiple samples from the rabbit's ear by moving towards the base of the ear, by moving towards the base of the marginal vein. You can also use different ears in order to collect the blood sample. As I have already told, the use of this topical or the local anesthetic is optional. But if you are using it, we prefer to use it 30 minutes prior to the vein puncture. Now, what is the exact procedure? Okay. The first step is to restrain the rabbit. If the rabbit holder is not available, you can use the towel wrap. Secondly, you have to select the dorsal surface, that is the back surface or the back side of the ear of the rabbit, and you have to locate this marginal air vein that is shaved to remove the hairs. Then we will clean this site with an antiseptic. Usually we use the 70% volume by volume alcohol. Then you will apply the anesthetic cream over there. Usually we prefer to apply it 30 minutes before, but some authors have written you can apply it 10 minutes before as well, but you should apply this 30 minutes before. Then you will locate, definitely you have located the marginal vein. Now it's the time, if this is not clearly visible, you can apply the warm compresses in order to dilate the vein. In order to locate the vein, you can massage the air for 30 to 60 seconds to make this vein more prominent, to dilate this vein. Now, you will then take a syringe with the needle of the gauge 26 to 30. Then you will definitely place this syringe at an angle of 30 degrees in order to aspirate or draw the blood from the rabbit's marginal vein. After collecting or withdrawing the blood, you will carefully remove the needle and apply the pressure over the puncture side. You can use the cotton, and with the help of your finger, you will apply the pressure, or you can use the clipper as well. Now, this is the diagram which is showing that we have syringes, we have these needles for different syringes, and these needles are of different gauges. You can select any gauge according to your requirement. Then this is a diagram which is showing that we have the marginal vein and the central auricular artery as well. Then this is the same diagram that is representing the marginal air vein, central auricular artery. And here, this is also the same diagram. Now, what is the procedure? Here we are shaving the ear of the rabbit with the help of a blade. Now, in the second figure, we are applying the alcohol swab in order to clean the area, that is 70% volume by volume alcohol. Now, this is the clean ear. And after this, we will insert the syringe in order to collect the blood from the marginal air vein.